Hi, everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, a charming resort town where sparkling lake views, historic mansions, scenic boat cruises, outdoor recreation, and relaxed Midwestern hospitality come together to create an unforgettable getaway. Located about 90 minutes from Chicago and Milwaukee, Lake Geneva has long been known as a favorite retreat destination, attracting visitors with its beautiful shoreline, elegant summer estates, and year-round recreational activities. Whether you're planning a romantic weekend, a family vacation, or a peaceful escape into nature, Lake Geneva offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Let's explore the 10 best things to do in Lake Geneva, each offering a balanced and memorable highlight of this lakeside gem. 1. Walk the Geneva Lakeshore Path and explore historic lakefront estates. One of the most unique experiences in Lake Geneva is walking the Geneva Lakeshore Path, a scenic 21-mile trail that circles the entire lake. The path passes directly in front of historic mansions, beautifully landscaped gardens, and private piers, offering visitors rare access to the lakefront's most impressive properties. You can walk shorter sections or spend the day exploring different stretches while enjoying panoramic water views. The peaceful setting, combined with architectural beauty and natural scenery, makes the shore path one of the town's most iconic and rewarding attractions. 2. Take a scenic boat cruise on Geneva Lake for stunning water views. A boat cruise on Geneva Lake is one of the best ways to appreciate the area's beauty from a different perspective. Guided tours share fascinating stories about the grand summer estates built by wealthy Chicago families during the Gilded Age. Visitors can choose sightseeing cruises, sunset tours, or themed excursions depending on the season. The calm waters, refreshing breezes, and panoramic shoreline views create a relaxing experience that perfectly captures the elegance and charm of Lake Geneva's waterfront lifestyle. 3. Relax at Riviera Beach and enjoy classic lakeside recreation. Riviera Beach offers a sandy shoreline right in downtown Lake Geneva, making it a convenient and family-friendly place to relax. Visitors can swim in designated areas, sunbathe on the beach, or simply sit by the water enjoying the scenic surroundings. The adjacent Riviera Ballroom and Pier add historic character to the setting. During summer, the beach becomes lively with visitors enjoying warm weather and lakeside activities, while quieter mornings provide peaceful views of boats gently moving across the lake. 4. Visit Yerkes Observatory and discover astronomical history. Yerkes Observatory, located just outside town, is home to one of the world's largest refracting telescopes and holds an important place in astronomical research history. Visitors can tour the historic building, learn about groundbreaking scientific discoveries, and explore exhibits related to space and astronomy. The observatory's impressive architecture and tranquil campus setting make it both educational and visually striking, offering a fascinating contrast to the town's lakeside attractions. 5. Explore downtown Lake Geneva's boutiques and local shops. Downtown Lake Geneva is filled with charming boutiques, specialty stores, cafes, and local restaurants that create a lively yet relaxed shopping atmosphere. Visitors can browse unique gifts, handmade crafts, clothing, and gourmet treats while strolling along walkable streets. Seasonal decorations and community events often add extra charm, especially during summer festivals and holiday celebrations. The downtown area provides an enjoyable mix of shopping, dining, and people-watching opportunities. 6. Experience outdoor adventure at Bigfoot Beach State Park. Bigfoot Beach State Park offers a quieter natural setting just minutes from downtown. The park features wooded hiking trails, picnic areas, and a peaceful beach along the lake's eastern shore. Visitors can enjoy birdwatching, biking, or simply relaxing in a less crowded environment. The park's natural beauty and shaded pathways provide a refreshing escape from busier tourist areas while still offering scenic lake access. 7. Ride the Lake Geneva Cruise Line Mailboat Tour for a unique tradition. One of Lake Geneva's most famous experiences is the U.S. Mailboat Tour, where mail carriers leap from a moving boat onto private docks to deliver mail without stopping the vessel. This long-standing tradition combines entertainment with local history, making it a unique attraction you won't find elsewhere. Watching the skilled mail jumpers in action while cruising along the lake creates a memorable and distinctly Lake Geneva experience. 8. Enjoy golfing and spa experiences at luxury resorts. Lake Geneva is home to several luxury resorts offering championship golf courses, full-service spas, and fine dining experiences. Visitors can spend a relaxing day on beautifully landscaped fairways or unwind with spa treatments designed to rejuvenate body and mind. These resort experiences add a touch of sophistication and comfort to the overall trip, appealing to travelers seeking both leisure and indulgence. 9. Visit the Geneva Lake Museum and learn about local heritage. The Geneva Lake Museum offers exhibits that tell the story of the area's development from Native American settlement to a Gilded Age resort destination. Historic photographs, artifacts, and interactive displays provide insight into how Lake Geneva became a popular retreat for wealthy families and vacationers. Visiting the museum adds depth and historical context to your exploration of the town. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights, hotels, car rentals, eSIM, check the description below. Next 10. Watch the sunset over Geneva Lake for a peaceful ending. Ending your day with a sunset over Geneva Lake is one of the most peaceful and memorable experiences the town offers. As the sun slowly sets behind the horizon, warm golden light reflects across the water, while boats glide quietly along the shoreline. Visitors gather along the pier, beach, or shore path to enjoy this tranquil moment. The combination of calm waters and colorful skies perfectly captures the relaxing spirit of Lake Geneva. And there you have it. 10 unforgettable things to do in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. From scenic lakefront walks and historic boat tours to charming downtown streets and relaxing resort experiences, Lake Geneva offers a travel experience filled with natural beauty, history, and small-town elegance. Whether you're planning a summer vacation, a fall foliage escape, or a cozy winter retreat, this lakeside destination provides a timeless getaway where relaxation and recreation come together beautifully. Which Lake Geneva experience are you most excited to explore first?